Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to the Maths class. Today, let us start the new chapter, that is rational numbers as decimals. Before going for the topic, let us once again revise how to write fractions in the decimal form. For example, let us take some examples to understand how to write fractions in the decimal form. For example, 5 by 10. How to write this fraction in the decimal form? We already know that how to write means, that is 5 by 10 in the decimal form can be written as 0.5. Okay, the denominator is 10, so after point the number should be read as 10th place. Okay, 10th, so it is written as 0.5. Next, 13 by 100. So 13 by 100 can be written as in the decimal form as, first write the 13, then see in the denominator is 100. 100 means how many zeros it has? 2 zeros. So after 2, before 2 digit we have to keep the point. So already 2 digit is there in the denominator, so no need of taking the 0. So we have to keep the point. So point after 0. So how to read the decimal number as 0.13. Okay, next let us take one more example, that is 7 by 1000. So 7 by 1000, let us write this 7 by 1000 in the decimal form. First write the numerator, that is 7. See in the denominator is 1000. 1000 means how many zeros? 3 zeros. So 3 digits of before we have to keep the point. So already 1 digit is there. Still how many digits we need here? 2 digits. So right here 2 digit means we have to take 2 zeros. Before 7 write 2 zeros, then point, then write here 0. So 0.007. Okay, so in this way we are converting the fraction into the decimal form. If the denominator having the numbers the like 10 or powers of 10, it will be easy for us to convert in the decimal form. So now let us go for the topic, that is rational number as decimals. Next, that is rational numbers as decimals. So let us convert 3 by 4 in its decimal form. To convert 3 by 4 in the decimal form, we have to make the, that is we have to convert the denominator into 10 or power of 10. So 3 by 4 is a rational number. So let us convert denominator into the power of 10 or 10. Okay, so to convert in the power of 10 or 10, we have to multiply numerator and denominator with 25. So it will be easy for us to write in the decimal form. So I will multiply with numerator and denominator with 25. So 3 25s are 75. Then 4 25s are 100. So now it is easy to convert in the decimal form. So 75 by 100. So we can easily write in the decimal form, that is 75. Write 75 as it is. The denominator is 100. So how many zeros it has? 2 zeros. So 2 digit before we have to keep the point. So in the numerator already 2 digit is there. So no need of taking the 0 in front of this number. So write 2 digit before 1 point, then 0. So 0.75. So now we have converted 3 by 4 in the decimal form. So how to convert means, we have to multiply numerator and denominator with 25. So our main important is we have to convert denominator into the power of 10. Okay, so now it will be easy for us to convert in the decimal form. So in this way, let us go for the next example. Next example, that is 4 by 5. This rational number let us convert in the decimal form. To convert in the decimal form, we have to multiply numerator and denominator with, see here some important point, that is 2 5s are 10. If the denominator is 5, so multiply with 2. Or if the denominator is 2, multiply with 5. So now when we multiply, what happened? 2 5s are 10. That means the denominator is converting into the 10 or powers of 10. If the denominator is 4, multiply with the 25, so it becomes 100. So in this way, if you multiply, it will be easy for us to convert in the decimal form. So these are some important point you have to keep in your mind. Okay, so in this way I will take here. Now the rational number is 4 by 5. So if the 4 by 5, if the denominator is 5, so what number we have to take to multiply? Means 2. So I'll take here 2, denominator, numerator and denominator 2. Let us multiply with 2, so that we are converting the denominator into the power of into 10. Okay, next 4 2s are 8. So 5 2s are 10. So now the denominator is converted into 10. That is 8 by 10. So now it is easy to write in the decimal form, that is 0.8. Next, the same way, let us go for the next example, that is minus 2 by 25 is a rational number. Let us convert into power of 10. That is, if it is 25, the denominator is 25, with what we have to multiply here? With 4. So it becomes how much here? 4 25s or 25 4s are equals to 100. So I'll multiply with 4, numerator denominator by 4. So 2 4s are 8, that is minus 8 divided by 25 4s are 100. Now minus 8 by 100. So let us convert in the decimal form. So first write here 8. Then here 100 means 2 digits. So already we have in the numerator is 1 digit. So still how many digits we need here? Only 1 digit. So before 810 we had to write here, then point, then 0. See here minus sign is there. So write here minus. So the answer is how much here? Minus 0.08. In this way we have converted rational numbers into the decimal form. So next, let us go for the next example, that is 3 by 25, 125. So if it is 125, the denominator, with what number we have to multiply? Numerator and denominator means with 8. So multiply numerator and denominator with 8. So 3 8s are 24 divided by 125 8s are 1000. Now let us convert in the decimal form. So write here 24 as it is here. See here the denominator is 1000. So how many zeros it has? 1 2 3. We have here 2 digits, 1 2. Still how many digits we need here? Only 1. So write in front of 24 1 0. So here totally 3 digits over, then point, then 0. So in this way we are converted rational numbers into the decimal form. If it is a rational number, convert into the 10 or power of 10. So it will be easy to write in the decimal form. Now let us go for the worksheet 1.